Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We want to today bring you the installation of our brand new product, our Hardscape sand, which is our polymeric sand that can be used for porcelain pavers, natural stone, concrete pavers, any installation with a joint from 1/8 of an inch to 4 inches wide. This product can be used on. The product has been tested for over 2 years now in all types of climates, from Canada all the way down here to Florida, where we are today, and it works wonderful. The difference between this product and every other product in the market is basically the heavy polymers, a little bit less sand. We got more of the aggregate, of the crushed aggregate, meaning the granite or the quartz, depending on the color of the product, and also how you activate it. The biggest problem that we find with polymeric sand on every job, not only on porcelain, is the complaint about too much water, not enough water. When is the right amount of water to activate the poly sand? Well, through the years, we partnered with a company, with a manufacturer from Germany that really helped us solve that issue. So the activation of our polymeric sand requires just for you to flood and wash your pavers, and we're going to show you that today. We're also going to show you the compaction that is really important for any polymeric sand, which not many people do, and basically introduce the sand in a way that you guys can understand how to use it. I know that there's a lot of videos out on the internet with different installations of poly sand for different products. I haven't seen many for porcelain pavers. This is our 6x12 with a spacer bar, 1 1/8 inch wide gap. I'm sorry, 1/8 of an inch gap joint. And we're going to start spreading the sand. The guys are already starting to spread the sand over here. So basically that's what you do. We're installing our black polymeric sand. The guys are going to spread it all around, and that's how you do it. You got to make sure that you don't have any rain around. The product must be completely dry underneath, in the joint, on top. Your porcelain needs to be completely dry. This product is a product that works, again, for any porcelain. The method of installation is something that we cannot guarantee. It's going to work for some other types of 2CMs in the market, or even 3CMs that may be out there, because our product can be compacted. We're going to compact this driveway 3 times. Without 3 compactions, you were not going to be able to get the joint, the poly sand into the joint properly. So this is something that we teach in our class. It's really important. It's imperative that it gets done, so there's no failures. So for now, we're going to be spreading this the sand throughout. Once we start compacting, we're going to come back and show you the compaction. The compactor needs to have either a rubber protector in the bottom, or you can do it with a roller compactor, a Weber. The guys unfortunately do not have the rubber protector, so we're using a piece of carpet underneath. You guys are going to see it. It's well installed in the compactor, and as soon as we start compacting, we'll come back and show you guys the compaction part. Thank you very much.